Imagine discovering a time capsule from the dawn of computing, a relic that could rewrite our understanding of how software evolved. That's exactly what happened at the University of Utah, where a seemingly ordinary tape reel might hold a lost piece of Unix history, specifically version 4 from Bell Labs, circa 1973. The big question now is, can we bring this piece of digital archaeology back to life? Professor Robert Ricci from the University of Utah's Collett School of Computing broke the news on Mastodon, revealing that this potential treasure trove was unearthed during a storage room cleanup. The 9-track tape reel, labeled by hand, boldly proclaims, Unix original from Bell Labs V4, see manual for format. Professor Ricci identified the handwriting as belonging to his late advisor, Jay Lepreau, a poignant detail adding another layer of significance to the discovery. But here's where it gets controversial. Professor Ricci states that no other complete copies of this specific version of Unix are known to exist. This makes the find potentially invaluable, as it could fill critical gaps in our knowledge of early operating systems. You might be asking yourself, why is this particular version so important? Well, version 4 marks a pivotal moment. It's the first version of Unix where the kernel and key utilities were rewritten in the C programming language, a monumental shift. Prior to this discovery, surviving remnants of V4 were limited to snippets of source code, a handful of manual pages, and the programmer's manual. Imagine the possibilities if this tape contains the full, original source code. And this is the part most people miss. The story gets even more interesting. Further investigation revealed that the tape was originally received by Martin Newell, a name that might ring a bell for computer graphics enthusiasts. Why? Because Newell is the creator of the Utah Teapot, that iconic 3D model that's been a staple of computer graphics demonstrations for decades. The Teapot even made an appearance in the original Windows NT OpenGL screensaver. So, this isn't just any tape. It's the original copy of Unix 4th edition received by the very person who gave us the Utah Teapot from AT&T. It's a collision of computing history and graphical innovation. Recognizing the importance of this find, the University of Utah is entrusting the tape to the Computer History Museum in Mountain View, California. The journey, a roughly 12-hour drive, is being undertaken by a staff member to ensure the tape's safe arrival. Al Caso of Bit Savers, the software librarian at the CHM, is already on the case and has a plan to recover the data. His strategy involves using specialized equipment to read the tape without damaging it, then employing custom software to analyze the data. Caso, a respected figure in the field of software preservation, has prioritized this project, underscoring its rarity and potential value. Recovering data from old tapes is a delicate process that Caso plans to tackle by taping off the head-read amplifier, using a multi-channel high-speed analog-to-digital converter which dumps into 100-ish gigabytes of RAM, then an analysis program Len Shustek wrote. He estimates that the 1,200 feet 3M tape has a good chance of being recoverable, but the process is not without risk. The discovery of this tape raises some profound questions. What secrets does it hold? Could it change our understanding of the evolution of Unix and, by extension, modern operating systems like Linux? More broadly, what responsibility do we have to preserve our digital heritage for future generations? What are your thoughts on the significance of this find, and what do you hope will be revealed once the data is recovered? Share your opinions and predictions in the comments below. Do you think that recovering this tape is worth the effort, considering the resources required? And what other forgotten digital artifacts might be hiding in storage rooms around the world, waiting to be rediscovered?